So, Aristotle's answered the question about justice. For Aristotle, justice is a matter of giving people what they deserve, giving people their due. It's a matter of figuring out the proper fit between persons with their virtues and their appropriate social roles. Well, what does this picture of justice look like? And how does it differ from the conception that seems to be shared among libertarian and egalitarian rights-oriented theorists alike? Justice means giving each person his or her due, giving people what they deserve. But what is a person's due? What are the relevant grounds of merit or desert? Aristotle says that depends on the sort of things being distributed. Justice involves two factors: things and the persons to whom the things are assigned. In general, we say, Aristotle writes, that persons who are equal should have equal things assigned to them. But here there arises a hard question. Equals in what respects? Aristotle says that depends on the sort of thing we're distributing. Suppose we're distributing flutes. What is the relevant merit or basis of desert for flutes? Who should get the best ones? What's Aristotle's answer? Anyone? The best flute players, right. Those who are best in the relevant sense, the best flute players. Is it just to discriminate in allocating flutes? Yes, all justice involves discrimination, Aristotle says. What matters is that the discrimination be according to the relevant excellence, according to the virtue appropriate to having flutes. He says it would be unjust to discriminate on some other basis in giving out the flutes. Say wealth, just giving the best flutes to the people who can pay the highest price. Or nobility of birth, just giving flutes to aristocrats. Or physical beauty, giving the best flutes to the most handsome. Or chance, having a lottery. Aristotle says birth and beauty may be greater goods than the ability to play the flute, and those who possess them may surpass the flute player more in these qualities than he surpasses them in his flute playing. But the fact remains that he is the person who ought to get the best flute. It's a strange idea, this comparison, by the way, could you say, am I more handsome than she is a good lacrosse player? It's a strange kind of comparison. But putting that aside, Aristotle says, we're not looking for the best overall, whatever that might mean. We're looking for the best musician. Now, why? This is important to see. Why should the best flutes go to the best flute players? Well, why do you think? Anybody? What? They'll produce the best music. Well, and everybody will enjoy it more. That's not Aristotle's answer. Aristotle is not a utilitarian. He's not just saying that way there will be better music and everyone will enjoy it, everyone will be better off. His answer is the best flutes should go to the best flute players because that's what flutes are for. To be played well. The purpose of flute playing, the purpose is to produce excellent music. And those who can best perfect that purpose ought properly to have the best ones. Now, it may also be true as a welcome side effect that everyone will enjoy listening to that music. So that answer is true enough as far as it goes, but it's important to see that Aristotle's reason is not a utilitarian reason. It's a reason that looks, here's where you might think it's a little bit strange. It looks to the purpose, the point, the goal of flute playing. Another way of describing this